नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम प्रमोद जैन है। फाइनेंस मेरा प्रोफेशन है और प्रमोटिंग वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस अमॉन्ग एवरीवन is my passion. I have delivered my training programs all over the globe in more than 50 locations in Americas, Asia, CIS, Africa, Middle East, Europe, everywhere on a variety of topics. I have also authored two bestsellers. One is You Are a Born Winner, and the second is Finance for Value Creation. In this series on how to become an effective and powerful public speaker, today I am going to share with you a secret of becoming a good public speaker that nobody on this earth will tell you. Such a simple technique and so easily available, but not known to many. And I'm going to share that technique with all of you in this session today. Friends, it's a universal fact that everyone on this earth wants to become a good public speaker. Without any exception, everybody wants to become a good public speaker. And for this purpose, they make all efforts, attend seminars, workshops, training programs, spend a lot of money, but unfortunately, few basic things are not taken care of. And as a result of that, despite spending a lot of money, they still are not able to achieve their objective of becoming a good public speaker. Public speaking, friends, is like swimming. जिस तरह से आप तैरना पानी में उतरे बिना नहीं सीख सकते, उसी तरह से पब्लिक स्पीकिंग भी आप पब्लिक के सामने जाए बिना नहीं सीख सकते. So unless you stand in front of people and speak, you can never become a good public speaker, let alone an excellent public speaker. Have you ever thought, कभी आपने सोचा कि lot of people, not lot of, most people are always so scared of going before people and speak. People are less scared of death and they are more scared of public speaking. तो लोगों से जब पूछें कि आपको सबसे ज़्यादा डर किस चीज़ का लगता है, तो इन्वेरिएबली आंसर ये होता है कि मौत आ गई तो परवाह नहीं, लेकिन पब्लिक स्पीकिंग के लिए मत बोलिए. हैव यू एवर थॉट व्हाई पीपल आर सो स्केयर्ड ऑफ पब्लिक स्पीकिंग? एंड द रीजंस आर जस्ट टू. नंबर वन, लोगों को लगता है कि मैं पब्लिक के सामने बोलने के लिए गया, व्हाट इफ आई फॉरगेट इन बिटवीन? क्या अगर मैं बीच में भूल गया तो क्या होगा? और दूसरा कारण है व्हाट इफ आई मेक अ मिस्टेक, यानी कि बोलते बोलते मुझे बोलना कुछ चाहिए और मैं कुछ और गलत बोल जाऊं तो फिर क्या होगा? पीपल विल लाफ एट मी, पीपल विल मेक फन ऑफ मी. नाउ दीज आर द टू फैक्टर्स, फ्रेंड्स, दैट स्केयर पीपल from becoming a good public speaker. And let me tell you what these two fears are. These two fears are nothing but your thoughts in your mind. If you remove these thoughts from your mind, that fear is not there. And you become a good public speaker. So now the question is how to overcome this fear. How to overcome this stage fear and bring shine in your presentations and in your public speaking. For this, friends, I have a technique and that I am going to share with you in this session. As I said, जिस तरह से आपको स्विमिंग सीखने के लिए पानी में उतरना होगा, उसी तरह से for becoming a good public speaker, you will have to stand in front of people and make presentations. If you don't do that, you will not be able to become a good public speaker. अब सवाल ये है कि लोगों के मन में जो ख्याल आता है वो ये आता है कि जब तक तैरना नहीं आएगा मैं पानी में नहीं उतरूंगा क्योंकि मुझे डर लगता है, या फिर जब तक मुझे बोलना नहीं आ जाएगा अच्छी तरह से तब तक मैं लोगों के सामने जाके नहीं बोलूंगा. और ऐसा कभी होगा नहीं. आप पानी में नहीं उतरेंगे तो आप तैरना नहीं सीख पाएंगे. और अगर आप लोगों के सामने जाके नहीं बोलेंगे तो आप बोलना नहीं सीख पाएंगे। उसके लिए मेरे पास एक टेक्निक है और मैं वो टेक्निक आपके साथ में अब शेयर करूंगा। फ्रेंड्स, आपको एक चीज़ बताता हूँ कि जब मैं 6th स्टैंडर्ड में था, व्हेन आई वाज इन 6th स्टैंडर्ड, माय प्रिंसिपल selected me for an inter-school debate competition. अब मैं 6th standard, hardly of any age that time, so must be about 10 years of age. So my principal gave me a topic. Not only he gave me a topic, he also gave me the complete script as to what I was going to speak. उस समय उन्होंने मुझे प्रैक्टिस करने के लिए एक बड़ा ही इनोवेटिव तरीका बताया। और उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने मेरे स्कूल में एक मिरर का बंदोबस्त किया। ही अरेंज्ड अ मिरर एंड ही आस्क्ड मी टू स्टैंड इन फ्रंट ऑफ दैट मिरर। और वो मिरर के सामने वो जो उन्होंने स्पीच मुझे बना के दी थी, मुझे उसको बोलना था। तो मैं पूरा दिन मिरर के सामने खड़ा होके वो स्पीच को देता, अपने आप को मिरर में देखता, और ऐसा करते 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 मैंने with God's grace, I delivered a very good speech in that competition, as much as I won that trophy. And same thing, friends, I'm going to share with you in this session also the same technique, because of which you will be able to take the benefit of the same technique that my professor my principal has taught me. So what this technique is, how to shine as a good public speaker, how to shine as a good presenter, how to shine as a person everybody pays attention to. So what you should do, this technique is very simple. What you should do, number one, all of you are having a smartphone without any doubt, isn't it? Every one of you. So what you have to do is, now that you have a smartphone, select a topic of your choice, a topic in which you have an authority, a topic which is close to your heart. Now write a script and keep it ready with you. So जो टॉपिक आपके मन के पसंद का है, write a complete script on that topic that you will deliver. Now what you do, now you buy a tripod, right? It just cost about 700-800 rupees, 700-800 रुपये में एक बढ़िया सा ट्राईपॉड आप खरीद के ले लीजिए. So once you have the tripod with you, you already have the smartphone, your script is also ready. Now what you do is mount your smartphone on that tripod, and you know it very well that when you are using a smartphone, और जब आप उसको कैमरा ऑन करते हो तो उसमें एक रिवर्स का आइकॉन होता है, और जब रिवर्स के आइकॉन को अगर आप क्लिक करते हो तो वो जो कैमरा रिवर्स हो जाता है, यानी कि स्क्रीन आपके सामने है बट स्टिल यू कैन सी योरसेल्फ ऑन द स्क्रीन. So what you do is, now having mounted the camera on the tripod, keep your script ready, be ready to deliver the speech, and click on the button of reverse, and now you can see yourself on the screen of the mobile. Now what do you do? Now click the record button and start delivering your speech that you have prepared, and keep on doing it until the time you finish your speech completely. I am sure, friends, when you will do this, when you will be delivering speech and watching yourself on your mobile camera delivering that speech, you will notice lot of errors, lot of mistakes that you are committing. Do not worry about them. Do not worry about them. Keep delivering your full speech. It may be of 5 minutes or 10 minutes or whatever it may be of the duration, doesn't really matter. Finish it. Having done it, having delivered your complete speech, now what you do? Now you replay the recording and once again watch yourself on your mobile camera delivering that speech for of 10 minutes or whatever that duration may be. And this time, don't watch as the presenter of that speech. This time, watch yourself in the mobile of yours giving that speech. Observe yourself as a third person. Observe yourself as a person who is extremely critical of you. Look at from his perspective. अब आप अपने आप को सुनिए और आप ये समझ के सुनिए कि आप नहीं हैं, आप वो हैं जो कि आपका बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिटिकल पर्सन है, somebody who is extremely critical of you. और अब ऐसा करते समय you will start noticing, oh, this is where I have made a mistake, this is where I have taken a long pause, this is where I have stuttered, this is where I have not been confident, this is where I seem to have lost, this is where my body language was not right, this is where I was losing my eye contact, this is where my voice modulation was not good, this is where I was fumbling, and this is where I was very confident, and this is where I was really going very good. So make all these observations, write them down on a piece of paper. Keep doing it, friends, for 3-4 days continuously. Whenever you get free time, it's just a matter of 5-10 minutes, 15 minutes, and you have a tripod, you have a mobile, you have yourself, you also have the script ready with you. So just keep doing it for a few days. And friends, I can guarantee you, with this simple technique, you will perfect your speech and also gain confidence to speak before the public. Remember, we have the fear of faltering. We have the fear of making a mistake. We have the fear of failing to deliver the speech. You know why? Because we are not prepared. Now that you have been doing it for 3-4 days continuously, delivering it, watching yourself, observing yourself, analyzing yourself, now you are fully prepared. Having done this, now what you do? Now plan a Zoom session. So I'm sure Zoom is readily available nowadays. So plan a Zoom session on this topic. Invite all your friends, your acquaintances, your relatives, people who are fond of you, people who would like to see you growing. Invite them to attend this Zoom session. Again, friends, advantage of technology. What is the advantage of technology? Advantage of technology is that when you are delivering a session on Zoom, you are talking in front of the public, but the public is not there in front of you. And that means whatever little fear that may still have been left behind will also disappear. And I'm sure when you do this, you will definitely do a fantastic job on that Zoom session. Let that be your takeoff point. Let that be your takeoff point. Practice it. Pick up more topics. Topics that may be of interest to you. Topics that may be interest to the people to whom you want to give this session. Friends, keep doing this. Keep following these simple steps. Keep using this technique. And I am sure, friends, as I am talking to you, you would have noticed that any book on public speaking, any session that you may have attended on public speaking, nobody would have ever told you as to this is also a secret, this is also a technique using which you can definitely improve your public speaking skills. And I'm sure, friends, when you do this, you will definitely shine like a public speaker. My best wishes to all of you, and do it. Shine like a public speaker. Thank you so much for the time being. We will soon meet again on one more topic of similar type as to how to become a good, impactful, and powerful public speaker. Thank you so much. Thank you.